Hello my dear Sanskriti Sriman and Srimotis. Welcome to another fresh episode, 271st episode on Bandhej. It's not only about tie and dye, it's about something new, something hatke and fusion collection. Starting from the first product is a simple linen bandhej, though this is a printed bandhej with kalamkari pallu. This is linen bandhej, kalamkari printed pallu, minimum range of only 2350, 2350 with tassels, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, ideal for summer, and range wise it's really pretty. 2350 with kalamkari pallu and comes with a kalamkari blouse piece, so it has a lovely multiple use of kalamkari and bandhej fusion, and it's a beautiful fusion of kalamkari and bandhej, and you can understand the multiple use of this bandhej blouse piece also. So only 2350 soft cotton linen with bandhej and kalamkari fusion in a lovely shade of earthy grey color. It's a matte finish sari but looks very pretty on wearing. Similar one, I have another nice color, number 2. It's in again another earthy maroonish, brick red color, you can see maroonish rust color. Today I might sound a bit nasal because I got wet in the Calcutta is having a lot of rains recently, and I really got twice wet in the rain and I got a bad sore throat, but recovering. So I might sound a bit nasal. So this is comes with this blouse piece, kalamkari blouse piece. Oh, this is a lovely earthy mauve color, again with tassels and kalamkari pallu. Very pretty sober color, but these are not the brighter chart, these are the earthy charts. So see the product properly. It definitely will look very pretty on wearing when you wear it with this kalamkari blouse and the kalamkari pallu, but it's not loud bright chart, it's a sober chart. It's a very elegant combination. Now I'll move on to tussar with bandhej printing, again with kalamkari printed pallu, color black and mustard, $6990 pure tussar, printed bandhej printed kalamkari, nice bandhej printed body in ghat chola style with blouse piece. It's a rustish mustard blouse. Very corporate look, and it's a pretty one also. It's simple but yet very elegant. I have two colors in this tussar bandhej kalamkari. This is a brown color with mustard again. That was rustish mustard. This is proper mustard color, yellowish mustard. $6990. Again, a very good comfortable fabric pure tussar with blouse piece. Moving on to your favorite after a long time, the fusion collection of tie and dye shibori with hand painted kalamkari. Totally new designs, new color combinations of rich maroon. Comes with this lovely pure tussar, hand painted kalamkari blouse piece. No border. This is totally hand tie and dye shibori and in very fine lines. Now keep on seeing the lovely color combinations that I'll be showing you in this concept. Mustard, very pretty color combination with powder blue. See the double peacock. Comes with this rich, lovely hand painted kalamkari blouse piece. Very unique, very different, and it will really look so pretty on wearing. Lovely color combination. Original shibori with hand painted kalamkari. Black, very fashionable. Has a lovely party wear look. Tie and dye black hand painted kalamkari with shibori. So today's episode will be a rich episode on bandhej, amalgamation of various states. Tie and dye, this is done in Rajasthan, and the kalamkari is done, this kalamkari done in Andhra. So we've done this from Andhra. So it's a beautiful hand painted Kalahasti kalamkari. I can still get the smell. In black and brown. It's a beautiful color combination. Royal blue, rich ink blue color. All same price, 10,500 Kalahasti hand painted kalamkari with tie and dye. Bottle green. So many new color combinations, and the painting is also totally different from what I had showed earlier. All different design, different concept, no border, only pallu blouse concept with body totally hand painted in shibori, pure tussar. Very smart piece. Moving on to the next concept of not shibori but bandhej, hand bandhej, with again kalamkari, no border. Rani color with a beautiful all over painting. The prices are clearly mentioned in the screenshot. Actually, this is the pallu. I just held it wrong way. This is the pallu and that was the blouse piece. Apologies. The fold was in the other. That's what I was thinking, that there should be a motive in the pallu. So here is the pallu actually. This is the pallu and there the jal print. The jal painting is the blouse piece. Very gorgeous bright color combination in slate and rani with touch of turquoise. We are a 26-year-old flagship store. We have two stores in Baliganj, Fashion House in Baliganj, 12 Jamin Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. And the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Citizen Park. We have the car park. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Cash on delivery services only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata via courier. Whatever sarees we are showing, to book them, you need to pay in the business account or Paytm or GPay to the bank. No phone pay. You can phone pay but to the bank, to the business account. First come, first serve basis. After payment, the product will be shipped. Shipping charges are applicable for all shipments. Number 12, shibori again in rich wine color. See the tie and dye concept. It's original hand tie and dye shibori with the first few that I shown was basically leheriya. Now here comes the shiboris. So I showed leheriyas, I showed the bandhej, I showed these shiboris also. Shibori kalamkari black. And this time all the kalamkaris are very, very beautifully hand painted. Kalahasti hand painting. Big pallu. Without border, these particular pieces comes without border with blouse piece. Nice rustic earthy combination with black. All these are fusion art, takes a lot of time coming, especially the transportation from one state to another. So it's time consuming, but all single piece, no orders, no repetition. Bottle green. Shibori again. See what a pretty color combination. Very smart look, very smart. But these are traditional artwork and very unique concepts of fusion in pure tussar. Something new again. As I always say, कुछ हटके कुछ अलग सा हर एपिसोड पे हम दिखाएंगे. संस्कृति comes up with new concept, new designs, new styles in every episode. So this is another one. Pure Munga tussar. Heavy quality pure Munga with hand painted Madhubani and hand tie and dye. Hand bandhej tie and dye with hand painted Madhubani border pallu. Again another artistic fusion concept in pure Munga. Comes with hand painted blouse piece. So the painting from Mithila, bandhej from Rajasthan, polish and finish Kolkata. कैसे लग रहा है प्रोडक्ट्स? अच्छा लग रहा है तो कमेंट कीजिए. डू टेक अ मिनट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Recommend your friends, watch the videos, and definitely comment. You can write a review on the Facebook page, and also you can WhatsApp the review when you receive the product. You can always give me suggestions of how to improve my shows to make it more interesting. Slate color with multicolored Kachni work hand painting. Each motif is filled with hand nib lines. I've just released a video few days back about the process of hand painting, how my dear artists, Sanskriti team artists, how they do the painting in the terrace, whole family, kids, the women in the family. I've just shown the process of done it in a reel in Instagram page and also in Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. I've just released a video, so you can check out the reel. It's very interesting. It's so nice to watch that, how well the whole day they are in the terrace, they are painting. So many girls, kids involved in painting a product, and you are adorning it. That's lovely. This is also very interesting, a rich brownish wine color with grayish border. The border color is like slightly ash type, like not the virgin color tussar. It's not off-white, it's grayish tone. With blouse piece. Pattern is done in the blouse. You can imagine how pretty this will look on wearing. Nice color, beautiful color combination, and see the rich hand painted big pallu also. I sometimes feel I just cannot do justice to the beautiful painting and artwork and hard work my karigars put into these creations. Such a beautiful painting. Green. Blouse piece. You can use the borders for multiple in multiple places because there is 4-side border. Another lovely color combination, dark peacock blue, see the painting. Very interesting concept. Pure Munga Tussar, heavy quality. Original tie and dye and very fine bandhej, not the big ones. Very fine bandhej, hand painted Madhubani in Kachni style, along with hand painted Madhubani blouse piece. Do visit the branch. We have puja collections coming in regularly. Watch out for the new videos. I might take a few days off because I will be traveling. So in between there might not be few videos, so but you can watch out the WhatsApp status where you can do shopping. You can check out the Facebook page. A very jhakaas color, purplish. Number 20. Again, see, there is so many borders. You can it's on the 4 sides of this fabric, so you can use it for multiple purposes in the collar or in the, of course, sleeves and neckline, the back, for your straps. So many color options I am giving you in this. It's also a very unique combination. All are different from each other. The painting, the color, the design, all different from each other. With beautiful hand painted Muga, Madhubani, Kachni blouse piece. Sanskriti is a fashion house of fusion ethnic wear. So this is what we are doing. We are, doing lots of fusion work. Though it might take a lot of time, these are expensive because not one karigar, these are multiple. The tie and dye karigar will not be able to do the painting. So there is a lot of different karigars involved, which is why the cost definitely goes steeper. But these are very unique styles and design, which you will cherish in your wardrobe for a very long time and generations to come, because nor bandhej nor Madhubani will go out of fashion. See this color combination. moss green. All freehand, lovely painting. Even the bandhej designs are different from each other. Comes with Madhubani blouse piece. The last one in this style, another nice light burgundy color. 24. Blouse. You can make the blouse, shirt style. It's look very smart because short crop top. Moving on to my sari, what I'm wearing is again a Leheria original tie and dye with mirror work. Though these are sheets, it gives a 3D effect. Very well neat hand finishing, hand ari with sequins and mirror work. Very rich border, scalloping done. Body also with mirror work, original tie and dye. Comes with shibori blouse piece. See the neatness of the embroidery. And this is tie and dye, only one color available in this tie and dye concept. With this shibori blouse piece, the neck piece that I'm wearing, 2550 with the jhumka, 3250, sorry, this is 3250, 3250 is the set, very fine rice pearl set, jhumka along with the neck piece, 3250, and the pair of this bangle, 550 rupees. 550 rupees for the pair of bangles. Now similar mirror work, I have another, though this is not tie and dye, but since it's mirror work, so I wanted to show this one also. Pure tussar. This is original mirror, this is not sheet. Similar design to what I am wearing. Mirror work, but this is mirror, mine is sheet. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of beautiful mirror work, very rich party wear in cream color. It's in chandan color. Pure tussar, very unique. Comes with blouse piece, and this is the blouse piece. It's fully mirror work blouse piece, back and the sleeves. Gorgeous sari, very unique, very different, very smart, yet traditional. One of renowned Calcutta model and actress, she had also worn a red color for a shoot. She was looking very, very pretty, a nice red color tussar she was wearing. So similarly we made this cream color. It's a beautiful sari, very pretty sari, very gorgeous. party wear look. This is the narrower border. Again, this is mirror, not sheet. This is the exactly same design she had worn in red. We have red also. Self monotone scallop mirror work. Beautiful color combination also. Body width also mirrors. Comes with the mirror work blouse piece in the 2 sleeves and the back. Beautiful color. Wear it with your silver jewelry, your antique, you can wear with diamonds or pearls. These are very smart, your jewelry will stand out. Your, sari will stand out because it's very simple yet it's very, very unique. Very unique style and design. Comes to slate color. Charcoal black. Pure tussar. Very smart. You can't imagine how gorgeous this will look on wearing. 8800. The one with more mirrors, more lines of mirrors, like the other one I showed 4 lines. That is more expensive than the 2 line mirrors. The number of lines, more the price goes higher. With blouse piece. And see the scallop part, it's also so smart. Okay, this is charcoal black. Now coming to a pink color. All the colors are very smart. Even the blouse for this will have in the back will have single mirrors and the sleeves will have the scalloping. See the gorgeous mirror work. Lovely piece. Even the mannequin, she's wearing like what I am wearing. I'm wearing in tussar. She's wearing in pure silk organza Banarasi with silver and gold alternate fine lines, gold zari pallu. With the same mirror work as mine, but the color is just too good. It's powder bluish mauve color. It's a very pretty color, very unique, and the price of this is 13,500. 13,500 comes with matching blouse piece, and especially this fine line is looking very, very pretty. And see the fall of our silk organza. Since these are all pure organzas, you will get this kind of fall as the we've not put any pins, so you can see it's just normal draping. So this is the fall and softness of our organzas. 13,500. And this tie and dye tussar, since it's a bandage episode, I was thinking of showing this shibori tie and dye tussar dupatta with block printed pure tussar kurta and bottom. The bottom is in cotton silk. The kurta and the dupatta is in pure tussar. Shibori tie and dye 7800 is the set. 3-piece tussar shibori, hand shibori dupatta with printed kurta, printed shirt and the bottom solid color. 7800 is the suit piece. And lastly, I'll show you another dhamakadar hand embroidered mirror, not sheets. Rich color. This is just absolutely stunning. Totally Bollywood style and very fashionable. in tussar. Especially I forgot to show you the finishing. See the finishing of our product. It's totally back is fully fall attached. Silk fall is already attached. All you have to do is open the blouse and do one side picot. The fall is already attached with nice scalloping, lovely edging. No need to wear anything on your neck for these kind of mirror work ones. Just wear a big dangler. It's a beautiful color. Have to drape this, and very heavy quality desi tussar. Comes with blouse piece. Even the blouse piece, see, finishing is complete. All new design, new concept, new styles. Sanskriti, Kolkata, Baliganj. Lastly, the most lovable color. You can never go wrong with black, and that too with mirror work. Go to any evening, of course it's an evening wear sari, you will be asked from where you got this. And that is where we get our free advertising. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Myself, Lalia Dattagupta. Namaskar. Coming back soon again.